Hey, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make pumpkin sourdough bread. You also can use this shaping and scoring technique for any bread to get this cool shape. Let's get started! First off, I'm putting my pumpkin puree in a bowl, putting water, salt, sugar, cinnamon, and starter all in. Then mix. When it all comes together, put the flour inside. Mix till it all comes together. Also, you can add some turmeric into your dough if you want the color to be brighter and more vibrant. Full recipe is going to be down below in the description box if you need the more detailed version. When your dough has finally reached the right volume and is done bulk fermenting, we can do shaping. Put some flour on top of your surface and dump out the dough. Then follow the steps I'm showing you in the video, because showing is easier than explaining it, to be honest. When your shaping is done, you will end up with a round dough ball. Put some flour on top of it and put it in a basket or a bowl, whatever you have on hand. The next step is the actual fun part. We get to make our bread into pumpkin. So to do that, you need 4 pieces of string. You take them and kind of crisscross them on top of the dough while it's sitting in the bowl. When you're done placing your strings, you take the parchment paper and put it on top, then you flip it, and the next thing you have to do is tie them at the top, but don't make it too tight so the bread has some room to expand. On this type of bread, you can't actually make a big expansion score, so the only thing we're left with is making some pretty designs on the sections. So the next thing we have to do is bake it, right? So you take the preheated baking dish with the lid, put the loaf inside, close the lid, bake it for 25-30 minutes with the lid on. You take the lid off and bake it for 15 more minutes till it's golden and appetizing, and you're basically done. You can put a cinnamon stick in the middle of your loaf so it looks like a stem of your pumpkin, which is a nice detail that makes your bread look more realistic. The only thing you have to do now is wait a little bit till you can cut in this pumpkin beauty. Thank you for watching this video. Please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you tried this recipe and how it turned out. Bye!